Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
2 days after voting ended in the United States, there is still no clear picture on who will form the government for the next 4 years.
Counting continues in 5 states. However, the Democratic challenger Joe Biden has been improving in his standings in 3 states, while the incumbent Donald Trump is making inroads in a 4th.
Now, still, the number of Electoral College votes secured so far by Mr. Biden and Mr. Trump has not changed. Mr. Biden has 253 of the 270 needed to secure the presidency, while Mr. Trump trails with 213. We go to the CNN for details.
As the vote counts keep coming, many Americans continue to be divided. Protests throughout the U.S. from both sides.
We believe Donald Trump has been fraudulently kind of screwed in multiple states.
The only way he can win is to steal an election.
Legally cast mail-in votes are still being counted in key states where the outcome is too close to call.
We will respect the will of the people of Pennsylvania. Whoever gets more votes in that election will be deemed the winner by the Commonwealth.
But I think all of us would agree that having an accurate count is much more vital. An accurate and fair count is much more vital than having a fast count.
President Trump's team is seeking to keep his slim path to victory alive, launching legal challenges in multiple states without offering evidence of irregularities. The president continuing to sow mistrust in the election results with false claims, sending out this statement: "If you count the legal votes, I easily win the election. If you count the illegal and late votes, they can steal the election from us." Meanwhile, Joe Biden's campaign manager insisted Thursday that the Democratic nominee is on pace to win the presidency, but urged patience.
We're just plugging along with our focus on making sure the votes are counted.